glasses on.
No.
Huh. Good afternoon from the beautiful East Eddy Wall. I'm Pat, Real Man of Genius, here with Tim Thomas, Real Kid of Genius, and our trusty washing machine has died, and it is not a smart thing for an appliance to die at the Real Man of Genius house. We're going to finish him off.
Reloading for whips.
All right, time for the pistol now, isn't it, buddy?
Yep.
All right.
Day 2, day 3, day.
Go ahead.
A few moments later.
Now shoot all that plastic at the bottom. Make it dance, okay? Go fast. Boy, do you think you taught it a lesson?
I don't think any of its friends are gonna want to die on us.
Yep. Tell it. So that's an example for the rest of the appliances in the Real Man of Genius house.
Well, I wanted to shoot that thing so bad, but I didn't.
We'll put it up and you can shoot the knob off of it later.
All
All
right.
right. Do it again. Awesome, buddy.
I'm just gonna grab this rock and just throw it over there.
Go ahead, throw it in it.
Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell down below.
All right. And tell them have a wonderful day.
Have a wonderful day.